in depth like Bob Mack. My rhymes, I leave a mark on your mind as the deadly vibes spread to your head like sandpalm. There's no escape, nah, I ain't blasting. Use my mental to assassinate assassins for those asking to pose the laughter. Raw maniacal vision. Laughter enhances the chances of the killing. Why is that? The smiling face is deceit. You best believe, to overseas I'm the deadliest disease. My thoughts rip your throat and make it hard to breathe. Your whole camp's under siege, and I'm Jason Voorhees. And the heat of the night is when I defeat and ignite mics. My verbal snipe, your vocab on sight. I'm out the cut, uncut and raw with no flaws. Balls, saw my rhymes hit and split the bricks on the wall. Should already have an idea about the superior sphere. The greater rhyme creator on both sides of the equator. I rock from here to there, to Philly and back to LA on the spot where I rock and bust like straps. As your views get overshadowed when you come in contact. Beware the setting, prepare to end the verbal combat.
Fuck you losers, while you fake jacks, I make maneuvers like Hitler, sticking up with German. The Mr. Methacal from Staten now. We'll be back after this message. Don't touch the dial. Rarely do you see an MC out for justice. Got my gunpowder and my musket. Fly out, melons get swellings. I paint mental pictures like Magellan. Half of my clans repeat felons. Niggas best protect they joints to 9 nickel. Man, I stay on point like icicles. Now who wanna test the cow? Then test the cow. All up in your motherfucking mouth. Headbanger boogie. Catch me on tour with Al Doogie. Nothing man hold too tight, you can't pull me. Better take one and pass, or that's the ass. Your vital statistics are low when falling fast. Johnny Blaze out to get loot like Johnny Cash. Play a game of Russian roulette and have a blast.
Hey yo, lyrical gas, spitting the criminal tactics. Non-believers get my dick and genital backwards. Let's face it, there's no replacement.